Today, we're going to learn how to make notes that help you understand, not just memorize. By the end, you'll know smart ways to use concept maps, mind maps, lists, and even highlighters. Notes are not just about writing down the teacher's words. Notes are a tool for your brain to think. Good notes help you see connections and remember better. Our brain remembers stories and patterns, not random words. That's why good notes must show how ideas are linked together, not just what they are. A concept map looks like a spider's web. The main idea sits in the middle, and smaller ideas spread out around it. Lines and arrows show how everything connects. For example, the water cycle: evaporation into condensation into precipitation into collection. One picture explains the whole process in seconds. Concept maps are perfect for showing relationships. In science, you can map energy flow in food chains. In history, you can map causes of World War I. In coding, you can link variables, functions, and outputs. Mind maps look like your brain on paper: colorful, messy, but smart. They start with one word in the middle and spread out in all directions. For example, put electricity in the center. Add branches like circuits, safety, uses, dangers, and sources. Add doodles, like a bulb for circuits or a warning sign for danger. Mind maps work because your brain loves colors and pictures. A boring black and white list doesn't stick. But add colors, doodles, and symbols, and your memory wakes up. Lists are useful too, especially in math or when you need steps in order. But don't make them flat. Add arrows, highlight the key step, and write your own quick explanation in the side. Highlighters are magic, but only if you use them wisely. Choose a color code, like yellow for definitions, green for examples, pink for formulas. Don't highlight the whole page, only the words that matter most. Too much color equals no focus. Make notes your own. Use short forms, draw symbols, or invent doodles. If you love drawing, add sketches. If you love order, use neat bullet points. The more personal your notes, the easier they'll be to remember. No single method is best for everything. For biology, concept maps shine. For essays, mind maps are amazing. For math, steps work best. Highlighters help everywhere. The smart student mixes them up. Notes are not one-time homework. The real power comes when you review them. Redraw your mind map after class. Reconnect the arrows in a concept map. Teach your friend using your notes. That's when you really understand. So remember, notes are not for copying, they're for thinking. Concept maps, mind maps, highlighters, and personal touches make your learning stronger. Use them to understand, not just memorize. If this video helped, hit the subscribe button for more study tips.